Received orders given. Expect results. It's Airdrop Sniper here. Most people don't pay attention to the market until it suddenly surges and gains attention. The market rewards those who enter regardless of timing, but if you seek even greater profits, it's crucial to seize good projects when the market is undergoing corrections. Recently, those who participated in the Ethena project received more than 100% of their invested amount at its peak. The BounceBit mega drop has begun, and there's 5 days left for Bob project farming. There are people looking for good projects to deposit into. I want to introduce a project that allows for intense farming over a period of precisely 14 days. This project, which opened its deposit event on April 22nd, is a very early stage project. It's a stablecoin project called REYA Network, allowing for easy participation without worrying about volatility, as it requires deposits in USDC. REYA Network is the world's first transaction-optimized modular coin. Having raised a total of $10 million in investments from Coinbase, Wintermute, and others. Despite market adjustments, it launched a liquidity supply event and surpassed $100 million in TVL within 18 hours of release. Initially, there was a multiplier applied, but as more participants join, the final multiplier decreases. The advantage is that you can withdraw your deposit at any time, though note that withdrawing will result in the destruction of farmed points. REYA Network is preparing for the Perp DEX launch on May 7th. If you deposit now, you can receive triple boost effect, and every 48 hours, you can collect additional boosts drawn randomly. So, there's definitely an advantage. If you have any remaining stablecoins, depositing them earlier will increase your XP point accumulation rate. The minimum deposit amount is 10 USDC or more. REYA supports Ethereum mainnet, Arbitrum, and Polygon chains, but I recommend Arbitrum or Optimism for lower gas fees. I personally deposited via Arbitrum, so I'll explain how to deposit USDC on the Arbitrum chain. First, purchase USDC on Binance exchange, then transfer it to metamask on the Arbitrum chain. Of course, you'll need a small amount of ETH for gas fees on the Arbitrum chain. Once USDC is in your wallet, you can swap it for Arbitrum USDC using the Rabbi Wallet's swap feature. Now, through my link, access the REYA website, click Connect Wallet, choose your wallet, agree to the terms, select Arbitrum as the chain for deposit, enter the amount you want to deposit and confirm. It's that simple. After depositing, you'll see a screen like this, where you can click Extra Boost to collect additional boosting effects every 48 hours. By clicking on one of the Greco-Roman mythological statues, you'll randomly receive a boost effect. Check your rank and XP earned on the REYA Leaderboard tab. For those who wish to withdraw, I'll leave steps in the description. The difference between doing these simple tasks yourself and not doing them is significant, and ultimately, as you go through these simple tasks, your skills will grow. So, I highly recommend trying them out while watching the video. Today, I've prepared an airdrop task for stablecoin farming, which, if entered now, could gain significant attention in the future. I believe that engaging in early-stage farming before crowds gather can be very rewarding. I operate a my YouTube community for real-time communication, project follow-ups, and continuous sharing of valuable information. So, for those who are interested in crypto investments after watching this video, you should check out my YouTube community often. Thank you for today's session. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to stay updated on upcoming airdrop snipe tutorials. Also, I've included a short guide in the video description, so be sure to check it out. Stay tuned for the next video.